Today we'll make a tutorial. First thing we need to do is to make a circle. Then let's decide the direction of the face and the inside. The direction of the face is the upside and the direction of the eyes is the downside. Then let's proceed. Now let's put eyes guidelines. This will be the guidelines of the eyes, and we'll make a nose, then mouth. This method is easy if you don't have reference. So we don't have reference, then I will use this kind of method. Let's put the jaw shape and the face shape. Let's form it. Now let's put the eyes. Since the eyes in looking in that direction, that will be happen, and we will do the same process in the left side of the eyes. Now their inside direction is in one place. And for the hair, since the head is like that position, all hair should be down full. Always remember that in this area, there should be always a hair. Now let's put the location of the sunlight. The sunlight position should be here down in the side, so like that. Then its light direction will be in the side of the face and to its other parts of the body. Then, as the whole face area will be darker. Yes, this whole area should be darker. Now, let us clean up. We'll make another layer to create a clean. if some part of the eyes is not balanced, we can use lasso to move and balance that part. Like that. We should not make like this nose because it's wrong. Now that the lips is boring, let's change it. To color, we'll use a magic wand to make sure that we can only color the area that we need. But before that, let's create another layer down so that it will be good like this. Now we'll create another layer to color the eyes, eyeshadow, whatever call nose shadow, eyeshadow, and mouth lips like that. But I will use dark, red orange. Look, that's like that, and the nose, and the upper lips, and the lower lips. After that, I will also put that here, and there. Now we will add the lights of the sunlight. Like what I said, it should be in the side part of the face and the whole area. So like this, just a little. We just need add a little. That's what happens when the sun is here, like that. This time we'll color the lips. Let's add some dark red, and let's change smaller the size of the brush and color it in the whole parts like that. juicy, right? I mean beautiful.